Hi, this will be a continuation of the last video where we're now going to look at exercises 4 and 5, actually 4, 5, and 6 from your textbook. And these are a little more complex and involved patterns, so I thought I would move these into their own separate video after you have a chance to practice 2 and 3 a little bit more. So what we're going to do here is we're going to start looking at exercise 4, which actually has multiple strings at once. Everything we've been doing so far, exercise 1, exercise 2, and exercise 3. Remember, on exercise 3 we don't have the preparation now, and we're just moving into having the fingers all free. Now we're going to be articulating multiple strings at the same time, and we have to be careful with this because you're going to want to start using your wrist. So we still the same articulations and mechanics that we've had. We still want to use the index, middle, and ring fingers, I, M, and A, come into the palm, and then the thumb kind of comes around, down and around. So we still want to have the same motion. So what we're going to do here is we're going to start using placing the thumb on 6th string, P on 6, and A on 1. And we're going to articulate those at the same time. And if you notice, there's no motion for my wrist, or even worse, my elbow, because I want the hand to stay in the same place. So what I'm going to do is just make sure that these thumb comes down and around, and the ring finger comes into the palm. So we're going to do those, just get kind of used to that. Now next I'm going to take my index and middle fingers and place them on the 3rd string and 2nd string respectively, and then just play those a couple times. So I want you to touch the strings, come into the palm, come into the palm. Do that a little bit. Now, and this will be in a little waltz rhythm. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. And it's really important that we don't touch that first string with our middle finger, because that's kind of like the melody. No. So we're going 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we'll explore some much more complex way of playing these two notes in a moment, in another video. But let's look first at just going nice and simply 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then again I could practice moving the bass notes and then to 4. So 6, 5, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 5, 6. Now, exercises 5 and 6. Exercise 5 is similar to what we did in exercise 1, where I went thumb, index, middle, ring. But what I'm going to do is go thumb, 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 index, middle, ring. So thumb, 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 index, middle, ring. And I'm just going to go across the strings, playing 6, 5, 4 with P, then I, M, A. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6. Now, exercise 6 is going to be just like P, A, M, I that I did in exercise 3, but what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to start with the ring finger and go A, M, I, P, and come on consecutive strings. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now what I'm going to do, so A, M, I, P on the top 4 strings, started descending arpeggio, A, M, I, P, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I'm going to do now is move those over one set of strings and do the exact same motions, mechanics, but go 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. So practice these ones, and this one will maybe feel a little bit more difficult, especially with the ring finger, because I don't want to hit that first string at all, and I need to keep that first string ringing from the prior arpeggio. And if you notice my hand, coming in, coming in, coming in, going down. In, down. No wrist, no elbow, no knuckles outward. And then finally I'm going to come down to the bottom 3 sets of strings and go like this. 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I might want to play a little E minor chord with this. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the fingers are A, M, I, P, A, M, I, P, A, M, I, P. Now, what I want to do is put 5 and 6 together. So, as I have the E minor, I'm going to go back to 5, P, 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 I, M, A, and then 6 was A, M, I, P, A, M, I, P, A, M, I, P. So what I'm going to do is, when I get to the top of the arpeggio on exercise 5, P, 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 I, M, as soon as I play that A, I now consider that the first articulation of exercise 6. So P, 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 I, M, A, M, I, P, A, M, I, P, A, M, I. And now this is the first, this last P of 6 will be the first P of 5. So it's a circle. Thumb, 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 index, middle, ring, middle, index, thumb, ring, middle, index, thumb, ring, middle, index, thumb. And I just do that in a circular motion. P, 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 I, M, A, M, I, P, A, M, I, P, A, M, I, P, 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 I, M, A, M, I, P, M, I, P, A, M, I, P. Let me say the string numbers now. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. So P, 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 I, M, A, M, I, P, A, M, I, P, A, M, I, P. And that's 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we could start kind of, as we talked about those planing these chords in earlier portions of the class. If I wanted to kind of add a little interest. So it's exercises 4, 5, and 6, and then putting 5 and 6 together to create that kind of circular arpeggio pattern, which is a really good warm-up for the right hand when I first pick up the guitar.